What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your main YouTuber, Revmaster. I appreciate everyone getting off Grinder. Come watch this video. Today, we're doing a recovery in a mega truck. We got this Chevy that's been stuck here since last night. Say roughly like 24 hours it's been stuck. It was stolen, as you can tell, sunk, busted out the windshield. I got a smaller clevis. Alright, we got the truck hooked up, got the clevises figured out. Get his man the keys. Let's see if this thing comes out. It's probably gonna be suctioned in there pretty good. Alright, here we go. For the Chevy. It's too easy for the Chevy. It should come all up in the tree. Alright. Let's go see and assess. Maybe re-hook up somewhere else and get this thing moving down the trail. Tell you what though, that Chevy, that 4.8 made it easy. It made it too easy. Still need a little bit more to get it out, but she's moving. Alright, so we're trying to see if we can start it. But they got some fuckery going on.
The ray goes on black, right?
Yes. This was already off. I'm guessing it sipped some water, possibly. But that's the water line right there, and the airbox is right there, so I don't think it went under. But it definitely could have drank some water. What do you think, it's gonna start?
It's fucked, 100%.
It's fucked for sure. Oh, it's clicking.
Let me go turn the keys.
Turn the screwdriver?
Allegedly.
Is it in park? Try neutral. Nothing? Alright guys, we got it out the hole. We got Tommy in there. Race car driver steering. We're finna get it to Pine Street. Hopefully in one piece. So we just pulled about 100 feet. And I'm like, damn, it's not really one to come. That's what she said. Motherfucker had it in park. We got it in neutral now. We fucking cruising. Also, I hit a fucking tree on the way here. On the fucking street. It's fucked up my fucking windshield. I guess that will happen when you got 33s with just a leveling kit. Tight turn. You can't see nothing because the windshield all smashed in. So it's kind of hard for him. I'm trying to get some speed so he's able to turn the wheel because it's not running, no powered steering. So it's a little easier once we're moving. He can move the wheel a lot easier. Getting some fucking speed now. Mobbing down the trail. Alright, we're pulling up on Pine Street now. It's where the tow truck gonna come get it from. Police sitting there waiting for me. Alright, so we got the truck out. Made it to the road. Thing is trashed. You can see the water line. It's sitting underwater pretty much all night, on all yesterday. Got the race car driver right there.
Fucking job.
Fucking job. The police here. So that was a successful pull out. Something I normally don't do.